hear your voice at night when I lay down to sleep. I ask advice from the pictures that I keep deep down in my wallet, but nobody saw it when we spoke. This is how I keep myself from crying in the morning. I listen to that song and listen to that morning. Turn it up to 10, then I begin to choke. That song you sang me when I was feeling down. You looked at me and smiled as we rolled into the town. I'm shaking my head, turning red as you sang. You told me I was special, I was born to fly. I wish you'd have told me that you were born to die. And I was singing in the mirror, wishing you were here, saying you were proud. With your voice so loud in my head, and that black line's turning red. I'm just living, I suppose, wondering where the good ones go. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Saw Fingers again with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This one is a song from Bryan. I haven't done one of his songs recently, so I thought I'd throw one in for good measure. And this is one of his unreleased songs, and it's called Where the Good Ones Go. Right then, boys and girls, let me hopefully show you how I played this song by Bryan. So, standard tuning, capoed at the first fret. This puts us into the same key that Bryan recorded this song in. Okay, so this is my take on what I think he was playing. Okay, so the introduction starts on a G chord. I tend to play it backwards like that, what I call backward or reverse G. Standard G shape basically for most people, okay, but I tend to play them like this. Okay, so fairly slow this song, not too quick. Second chord is a C major 7. It's a standard C shape but without the first finger. So take the first finger away, second string is now open. 5 downwards. Then we go to an E minor. And then a D sus4, which is a standard D chord, but you add your pinky to the top E string, 3rd fret from the capo. Okay, so, and then take the pinky away to play the standard D chord. So you've got G, C major 7, E minor, D sus4, D. Okay, so let's go through it again. C major 7, E minor, D sus4 to D. Right, and then you just carry on playing that sequence all the way through the verse, okay? Well, I hear your voice at night when I lay down to sleep. I ask advice from the pictures that I keep deep down in my wallet, but nobody saw it when we spoke. This is how I keep myself from crying in the morning. I listen to that song and listen to that morning. Turn it up to 10, then I begin to choke. Keep going. That song you sang me when I was feeling down. You looked at me and smiled and rolled into town. Shaking my head and turning red as you sang. Going. You told me I was special and I was born to fly. I wish you'd have told me that you were born to die. And singing in the mirror, wishing you were here, saying you were proud. Now at this point we're going into the chorus, okay? So that last line is, I was singing in the mirror, wishing you were here, saying we were proud. Your voice so C major 7 loud in my E minor head, and that G flat line's turning D red. I'm just C major 7th living I sub E minor pose, wondering D stop where the good ones G go. C major 7th, E minor, instrumental bit this, D, repeat G, C major 7th, E minor, D, into the second verse, which is exactly the same to play as the first verse, and then another chorus, etc. So you just repeat everything again with different words, okay? So let's go from the chorus again. We do it from the last line of the first verse. Now I'm singing in the mirror, wishing you will say you are proud. Here we go into the chorus. With your voice, C major 7 loud, E minor, G and flat lines turn D red, and I'm just C major 7, E minor, when it stopped on D where the good ones G, C major 7th, E minor, D, again, G, C major 7th, E minor, D, and then into the next verse. This is how I stop the pain like I rehearsed it. Okay, the kid my age shouldn't be proud around in verses, etc. Got the whole idea? Nice simple song for you there. Thanks very much for watching this. Hope that made sense to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.